Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create a bar chart in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here this data. If we want to create a new bar chart based on this data, we need to select it all. Of course, we have here two columns, month and number of sales. So in January we have 120 sales, on February we have 20 sales, on March we have 140 sales, and on April we have 50 sales. Now if we want to insert here a chart, we need to go to Insert tab, we need to click on Chart tab, and then column chart will be displayed here as default. But of course we want to change it to another one type, so we need to scroll up, and on chart type settings we need to click on this one, list, on column chart, and then we need to find here a bar chart. For example, we have here three types of bar charts. I recommend you to select this one type, so I click on it, and then our chart has been successfully created here. Of course, we can change position of this chart somewhere here. We can modify this title, so for example, I click on it, and then I will change maybe alignment of this title. So I click here and I select here center. I will change maybe color of these bars, so I click on it, double time, and I change fill color maybe to this one. I will change this one color too, so I click double time here, and I change fill color maybe to this one color, and I will change March color too, so I click double time here. I change fill color maybe to black, and I will change color for April, so I click double time on this blue field, and I change fill color to maybe red. Okay, so in this way we have successfully created a bar chart in Google Sheets. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve your problem.